Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So recently I celebrated my birthday and I created this makeup look. So basically in this video I'm going to be sharing with you all the whole process of creating this makeup look, which is really appropriate for the upcoming events if you have to attend some. So yeah, if you want to know how I have achieved this look, then keep on watching. So let's begin the tutorial. So first of all, I'm applying a sunscreen. This one is from Attitude. You can use any moisturizing cream that works best for you. I just love this product, and since it's a daytime kind of a makeup, so that is why I'm using this sunscreen. And moving on further, I'm using this concealer. It's from Swiss Beauty that I've got recently, and it's amazing. Like it has got medium to high coverage, and I'm just applying it with the help of few dots all over my face wherever I'm just feeling like. And then taking a damp beauty blender, I'm going to be just blending the product. You need to dab it, don't drag the product. So just dab it like this and look up to the ceiling when you are blending the product around your eye area, especially under eye area. In that way you can blend your product very nicely. And just dab it, take your time so that the concealer sets in its place. And then I'm using this primer. It's from Color Bar. Actually you need to use the primer first and then use the concealer, but I forgot, so I'm using it later on. But first use the primer, and I'm just dabbing that primer. And it's ideal for dry skin. They have a lot of variant, you can check on Nykaa. And moving on further, I'm using foundation. This one is my favorite foundation. It's from Artistry. It's 24-hour long wearing foundation in the shade Buff. It's really nice. So I am taking a little bit of this product. I do not like to use a lot of foundation, so just a little bit. And then I am taking this L'Oreal's Micro Crystal Essence that I've kept in my Artistry Vitamin C bottle because it has this dropper, so it's very convenient to use. And I'm taking just few drops of the product and making the consistency of the foundation really thin so that the application becomes more simpler. And I'm applying it with the help of dots, and that also makes the application really simple. And you can spread the product throughout your face, and it's very even toned. And taking that same damn beauty blender, I'm just blending the foundation. So just take your time, blend the product, and whatever is left, don't forget your neck. And I'm taking this L'Oreal's Infallible Concealer for more coverage because I just felt like, I need more coverage around my eye area. So taking just a little bit of that product around my eye area and just dabbing it with that same damn beauty blender. Now it's time to set the makeup base, and for that I'm using this loose powder. This one is again from Artistry, and I'm taking this fluffy brush and I'm gonna be just applying it all over my face to set the makeup. And this fluffy brush makes the whole application process really simple. So you can use any fluffy brush, and I'm just applying it more and more of the product. Once I'm satisfied, then I'm taking this shade and I'm going to be using my fingers and will be applying it all over my eyelids. So this eye makeup look that I'm creating is really simple. So we'll be applying this shade all over my eyelid, although it's not very visible, but it's gonna make a huge change to your whole eye makeup game. I'm taking that brown shade that I showed you. I'm taking a very flat brush and will be applying it on my crease line, and I'm just basically defining that. So once you open your eyes, that line you get, no, you need to just define that line. So you can take any darker shade and just go back and forth, and you'll create this look. And by the way, the eyeshadow palette that I am using is from Revolution. I'm going to be mentioning all the product in the description box. Then taking this darker brown shade for the outer V of my eyelid, I'm going to be just applying it. And don't worry, you need to just apply a little bit of the product. So even if you are not good at it, you can achieve this look, because I'm not very pro, but I'm just trying my level best to explain you all how I created this look. And then मुझे satisfaction अपनी उंगलियों को use करके मिलती है. So I'm using my fingers because in that way I don't know why, but I just feel like कि मैं ज़्यादा control रख पाती हूँ आई मेकअप का. So I'm just applying it on my outer V. Then taking that glittery pinkish shade, I'm gonna be again using my fingers and will be just dabbing the product in the beginning of my eye, in a corner basically. So उसको अच्छे से dab करके you need to spread this product. And once you are satisfied with the glittery look, then moving on further, we'll be using more products like more eye makeup product, and taking a very fluffy brush, I am just blending the product so that it doesn't create any harsh line. There's no harsh line basically. Then I'm going to be taking that brownish shade again, and will be using it on my lower eyelashes, because your eye makeup is really incomplete if you're not using any product for the lower eyelashes. फिर मैं अपनी उंगलियों के हेल्प से I'm gonna be just spreading that product, because उससे मैं काफ़ी easily कर पाती हूँ उस product को spread. And then taking this kajal pencil from Attitude, I'm just lining my lower eyelashes. सो बेसिकली मैं इसको बाहर आउटलाइन भी करती हूँ और इनर कॉर्नर्स को भी फिल कर देती हूँ अच्छे से काजल लगा के. नॉर्मली आई डू नॉट लाइक टू यूज़ काजल फॉर माई लोअर लैशेज, बट व्हेन आई एम क्रिएटिंग सम आई मेकअप आई रियली लव यूजिंग दैट. एंड टेकिंग दैट सेम kajal pencil, I'm going to be creating a liner also with that same pencil, because this pencil is really convenient. It gets that jet black look, and I did the like both the eyeliner off camera. And then taking this L'Oreal's eyebrow kit, I'm filling my eyebrows. I do not like to fill a lot of product in my eyebrows. I like to keep it natural. So basically I'm just filling my natural eyebrow जहाँ जहाँ वो हैं बस उन्हीं को थोड़ा सा फिल किया है. एंड देन टेकिंग दिस ब्लशर, it's from Attitude. I'm going to be mentioning all the products. You can check the description box. And I like to use a lot of blusher because it just makes my face look more freshen up. I feel like that. And then just more blusher. Then moving on further, I'm taking this highlighter. This one is from Maybelline, and I'm applying it under my eyebrows, then on my nose, on my cupid bow, and then some highlighter on my cheekbone as well. So basically a lot of highlighter. So this step is again optional, like you can skip the steps in between. Then I'm using Attitude's eyeshadow palette, and using a very highlighting shade from that palette, and I'm using it for the inner corner of my eyes because I really like that shade. So it just open up my whole eye makeup look. So I am using that. And now the next step is really important, and that is lipstick. So I'm taking this lipstick. This one is Peach Kiss from Attitude. It's a proper matte lipstick. I just love this lipstick. So this one is my current favorite. And then I'm taking another favorite lipstick of mine, and this one is Caramel Toffee, again from Attitude. So just dabbing it all over my lips. I just love this lipstick. So we'll be mentioning all the details in the description box. And then taking some talcum powder, I'm going to be just dabbing it on my lips, because the Caramel Toffee lipstick that I use later on my lips is not very matte. It's like a creme matte texture. So I like to use matte lipstick, so I always do this. I just take some powder and just dab it on my lips. You can also do that. And then the last step but not the least, some mascara, because I'm not going to be using false eyelashes. You can go ahead and use some false eyelashes as well. And this mascara is really good. I need to purchase a new one because it's a little bit broken. And can you see the highlighter? Like, this whole makeup look is not like a lot of makeup. It is looking like your skin. It's really simple to recreate. And then I'm not going to be using any heating tool on my hair. I'm going to be keeping it as natural as possible. And then last step is to fix your makeup, and for that I'm using this Swiss Beauty makeup fixing spray. This is really nice. It has vitamin C, vitamin E, all that's like goodness that a makeup spray needs. So just more of this product. And for my jewelries, I'm keeping it really simple. So I am wearing this golden hoops, which is not very big one. So it's really simple because my top is like that extra glamorous top. So I am trying to keep my accessories really simple. I'm also going to be sharing the outfit detail from where I got the outfit, and will also be sharing with you all some budget friendly cafes where you can go for my next video. So stay tuned for that as well. So this is the whole outfit look, and this is what I wore. So yeah, I'm going to see you super soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.